Hey guys, here we are at the workbench today, aka the computer desk, and got the 3060 Ti Eagle back out because it's got a dead fan. You can see how nicely that one spins. This one kind of dies out immediately. It's got a bunch of wobble to it. Barely any wobble. Wobble. But yeah, it doesn't spin, so I had to strap a 120 fan to it for the last couple weeks. And I picked these up off of eBay from China, and it actually tells you which fan you need, clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on the placement. They spin in different directions. It showed up today. Speed pack delivery. Nice new fan. So we're gonna get this swapped out. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Be right back. Well, this is gonna be a short video today. It's the wrong fan. I'm not doing any kind of splicing or nothing, but that lead on that is really short. You can see the lead here goes around, and it's pretty long. Wrong type of connector. Everything about it is wrong. So don't assume eBay descriptions are correct. Open it up, look at it before you order something from China, because there's no way I'm getting a return on this. Not worth it. So putting it back together, gonna strap the 120 fan back to it, get back to mine, and sorry for the lame video, you guys. So yeah. See you on the next one. Later.